Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to teach you how you can upload files and add them to your Google Drive account on your Android really quickly, so let us get started. Now, adding files and items to your Google Drive account on mobile is very simple, guys. Simply launch the Google Drive application on your Android. After that, browse, for example, here through your home section and simply tap on that plus icon here to upload and add your first file. After that, you will be redirected to that menu here. So you may, for example, upload files and have been added or stored on your device just recently. However, you may, for example, switch to another source folder or location on your device by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top left. And for instance, decide to upload images and photos that have been stored in your phone gallery here, or in the Google Photos gallery, or in your download folder. So let me go with that folder for demonstration purposes. And simply after that, tap on the given file you would like to upload and add to your Google Drive account by holding your finger for a brief moment on it. And last but not least, once the file has been selected, tap on open here in the top right corner to add it to your Google Drive account. Wait for a brief moment. Here you will see a short summary of the given file, like the file name, the source location, the associated Google Drive account at the bottom. And once you're content, guys, with that setup, simply tap on upload here in the top right to add the given file to your Google Drive library or portfolio. That may or may not take a moment, of course, depending on the file size. And that's basically it. You will see the process here at the bottom, less than a minute in this case remaining. And after that, the upload will be marked as complete so that you may close that window here by tapping on X. And that's it. And the file will then be added to your library on Google Drive. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.